Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to remove the extra or unwanted language in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step is at the start icon, you need to do a right click and go with settings. Okay, so once you have successfully opened your settings, directly proceed to the left side of it where you can see time and language. Click on it. And here it can see it for options, proceed to language and region. Click on it. Okay. So once you're here at the language and region, you can see there next to preferred languages, there are different languages would appear here. So in my case, I have only two, but if in your case you have a lot and you want to remove it, aligning such or specific language that you want to remove, you can see there are three dots. Click on it, and there you can see an option removed. Just click on it and it will be removed in your Windows. Okay? So this is the first step on how to remove the such. Okay? And the second step is, let me just close this. Here at the bottom search bar, you need to search for PowerShell. Okay? So once you've typed that, Windows PowerShell, which is the best match, would appear. Click on Run as Administrator. Click on it. Okay, when your user account control will ask you to say yes, just proceed to yes so that you would be able to open the Windows PowerShell. Here you need to paste a command which I'll be including at the description box below. So this is get-win user language list. Copy it by pressing Ctrl C and then paste it here. Then click enter. So this will show you the list of language that you have in your Windows. So in my case, again, I have only two. But if your case you have the lot, okay? So just identify those language, I mean such language that you want to be your default language. And look at the code which is under the language tagged. So you can see here the English United States is an EN-US and the English Philippines is an EN-PH. Okay? Just identify the specific language that you want to be your default language, okay? And here, you need to copy this command again, which is this. Control C to copy, and then paste it here once again. Okay, it is set when user language list space en-us. So this is the code of the language that you want to be in your default language. So since I wanted that English United States would be my default language, so I'm using the en-us, which is the code of the under the language tag. So you can see the code aligning the language tag, and then comma space fr meaning force. Once done, click enter, and it asks you to continue with this operation. Type Y. Okay, let's make it capital. Then click on yes. Okay, just have to wait. Okay. So now it sees here that the language has changed. It will take effect after the next sign in. Just have to close this window and just have to restart your computer, and there you have that. You have just set the language into your preference. Okay, the language that you prefer. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.